Welcome to my class. First generation of computers, 1946 to 1954. The invention of the vacuum tube took place in the year 1946, therefore it marked the beginning of first generation of computer. The main component was vacuum tubes. Characteristics of first generation computers. First generation computers used vacuum tubes. The first generation computer used vacuum tubes for switching on and off the different circuits. Heavy and expensive. These computers used thousands of vacuum tubes and they were very heavy in weight and quite expensive. Computation time. These were the fastest computing devices of their time. Computation time was in milliseconds, that is 1/1000th of a second. Size was quite big. These computers were big in size and required a lot of space for installation. Massive power consumption. Since thousands of vacuum tubes were used, they consumed massive amount of electricity and they generated a lot of heat. Therefore, air conditioning was essential. You can see that in the case of ENIAC computer, it used over 1 lakh watts of electricity and caused noticeable dimming of light over Philadelphia state whenever it was turned on. Lack versatility. These computers lacked in versatility and speed as these computers were not able to handle audio, video, graphics or animation data. Constant maintenance. These computers were unreliable and prone to frequent hardware failure. Therefore, constant maintenance was required. Used machine language. First generation computer relied on machine language to perform operations. These computers were difficult to program and use. Machine language means language which can be directly understood by computers. That is, it is in the form of binary. Input and output devices. Punched card and magnetic tapes were used to give inputs and output was displayed on printouts. This is the photograph of punch card. This is the picture of magnetic tapes. Some of the computers of this generation are ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. IBM 650. It was the most popular first generation computer. This is the ENIAC computer. This is UNIVAC computer in 1953. This is IBM 650 in 1953. Now let us summarize the characteristics of first generation computers. It used vacuum tubes. They were quite heavy and expensive. Computation time was in millisecond. They were big in size. They consumed massive power. They lacked versatility. They required constant maintenance. They used machine language. Punch card was used to input and output was displayed on printouts. Thank you very much.